Hey everybody, welcome back. James here again with you, and today I want to share with you the best hunting pellet. Now, with that said, 100% of the time I would say that the best pellet for hunting obviously is the one that works and shoots best in your rifle for you and your setup. But there is a caveat to that situation. Believe it or not, as hunters, we know that even the most well-placed shot still doesn't matter, because what you're shooting at is a living animal, whether it's small game, medium game, or large game. A lot of you know exactly what I'm talking about. I've made some well-placed shots in the past, and the animal just did not want to drop on the spot where it was at. I still had to track it. Obviously, that's part of it. It's the name of the game. When you're shooting at something living, that's why it's living. It's the chance of it. That's why it's called hunting. So with all that said, believe it or not, there is a pellet that I found that is almost an exact pellet out on the market right now that is identical, but there is some signature differences, and it literally performs way, and I mean way better. So let me show you these hunting clips of a friend of mine and I were out this past weekend shooting at frogs in a contaminated pond that he wanted me to take care of. And I brought my Venturi Avenger and these new pellets that I got to shoot very, very good on my slug tune, which is 2200 PSI, 4.5 turns in. And I also used the ATN on night vision. Here we go, 30 yards. So check this out. Out here shooting frogs. What do you got to say about these pellets?
Badass.
Did you hear that whack? Yeah. He just flopped over like nothing happened. That fucking whack. Got him. Did you hear him flop?
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. Got him.
I heard him flop.
He's just floating.
Is he?
Yep. Got that one. He jumped out of the water.
Did he?
Yep. That one jumped.
You missed?
No, I got him. Holy cow, they're all over in the corner over there. Got that one.
Ooh, I heard him.
He jumped up on the bank on his back.
Yep, I heard it. I heard it hit the paper.
Oh. That one got him. Holy cow, he went straight up in the air. He's on the bank now.
I heard him.
Look, he's on the bank. Holy cow, he went straight up in the air and landed on the bank. You can see him upside down. See him? Oh yeah, I see him. Oh my God, they're all back over here still. There's like 10 of them over in that corner. Dear God. It's laying on the fucking back. He's just sitting there. Go ahead.
Oh,
Take a shot.
You got one in?
I don't think there's one cocked in it. Did you feel the resistance? If you did,
Yeah.
feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's, you can see the side of his body. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, yes. He's floating. Yeah, he's sitting there floating. Got you too. Yeah, he's just sitting there hanging out. Oh, wait. One more and you can have it. Got your sister.
Nailed him. I think he went straight up in the air. Yep. He's done. Yep, he's done. Holy cow, he jumped up on the bank.
I heard it.
Holy cow. He went straight back into the woods. That one flew a little squirrely. He's floating. Yeah, he went way up there. Holy cow. Got that
Complete or plop?
Yeah, he's sitting there kicking now. So again, contaminated pond, didn't want to keep the frogs because of the water, and plus they're just a nuisance. So we took care of the problem. And I get asked all the time, with that tune, how many shots do I get? Well, I could tell you this for a fact, that I only filled up to 3,600 PSI that night, because I've been testing some other things with my Air Venturi Avenger, and I kid you not, 5 full magazines before I was even on the reg when we got done for the night. So 50 shots, and that wasn't even a full fill, guys. So my buddy was cracking up the whole time, because a lot of you may or may not know him, Logan, from past hunting videos. Just because the gun was shooting so well that night, even all the way out to 45 yards across the pond, the pellets were going straight in line with the vertical reticle, and the frogs were instantly out, lights out, no joke. So that was starting with a very, very tiny target and small animal. Let's move up to something bigger. I took it squirrel hunting with those pellets, the Air Venturi, same settings and everything. Check this out. Yeah. 50-yard shot, free-handed. Now you've seen there, they really put a number on the squirrels. And the reason why I knew that was going to happen the way it did, and those pellets work so well, is because I tested them in my new testing media. Many of you know that I've been testing slugs and pellets with these cheap $1.25 at the Dollar Tree 30-pack disinfecting wipes, and they work very well to show how well slugs or pellets will do at a given range that you're shooting at, which I always test, or I should say, I usually test slugs and pellets at the 25-yard range to see what they do at the given gun settings, and it has been more than spot on. I kid you not. So check this out of comparing the Crosman Premier Hollow Point to this other pellet. So here is the most accurate expansion test for pellets and slugs that I have ever found. I have a 30-pack of disinfecting wipes with a 1-gallon water jug and a travel pillow right behind it. And I'm set up at 25 yards down there with the Venturi Avenger. Again, set on 2200 PSI, 4.5 turns in, and I have the FX pocket chronograph running. Okay, first up is the Crosman Premier Hollow Point.
930.
Dead center hit right on top there, right in the wipes. You could see it. Pretty good exit hole. Put that back up there. Next pellet, mysterious pellet here. Let's see what happened. Wow. Yeah, you could tell the mysterious pellet definitely did some more damage on the bottom here. Holy cow. Not only did it shoot almost in line with the last pellet, but it ripped the seam. The Crosman Premier Hollow Point didn't do that. Look at that explosiveness. You're probably wondering, what pellet am I talking about and using this whole time? And they are the Crosman Premier Piranha 14.3 grain. Yes, they were shooting that good all the way out to 45 yards. That was insane that night. We had so much fun shooting those frogs. And again, they performed so well over the Crosman Premier Hollow Points. I kid you not that on the squirrel silhouette from Crosman, you know, both pellets obviously leave a mark on one side when you hit them. But these pellets right here were leaving bumps on the backside of the plate of the squirrel, the silhouette. I couldn't believe it how much more powerful these pellets are in comparison to the Crosman Premier Hollow Points, all because of the head design. They are more of a flat tip head instead of rounded. And that energy dump on impact is so insane, it's not even funny. And again, they're shooting super well. So as always, guys, I hope you see the caveat here of using a pellet that even is the most accurate in the gun. And you may be able to find something that's just a tad bit better, and I think I did here with these Crosman Premier Piranhas. And they only come in 400 pack for 22 caliber, and they are obviously a little bit more expensive. They're about $5 more expensive per tin than the Crosman Premier Hollow Points. So I could pick these up locally for about $11 or so, and I can get the Crosman Premier Hollow Points for about $6.25. So yes, they are more expensive, but wow, the impact is insane. The damage they do is crazy in comparison. So I appreciate you watching as always. I hope you got something from this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again.